Karen Donovan with another episode of You've Got Questions, We've Got Answers. Today we're going to be covering some tech tips. Have you ever been in a situation where you got a document in your email and you had to fill it out and send it back quickly and you didn't have access to a PDF editor? In other words, let me share my screen with you and we'll go through this together so that you can see an easy tech hack on a way to get your information into a document and get it sent back in PDF form to the person who sent it to you and wants it back. Okay, so let's just say that you got a form in your email that you had to fill out and send back to someone. It could be a medical form, it could be a real estate form, it could be a legal form, whatever it is, and it's in a PDF format, and you need to get it filled out and sent back quickly. There is a program that's a little pricey. It costs maybe $25 a month called PDF, Adobe PDF DC, and that's a PDF editor. But if you don't want to spend that money, or you just don't have access to that program right now, or you don't want to mess with it, here's a simple tech hack to get the form filled out quickly for free. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to a program called PDF Escape, and that's www.pdfescape.com. Once you get in there, you're just going to click on the free online program. And once you're there, you're going to click on Upload PDF to PDF Escape. And if you click this one here, you'll be easily able to go on your computer where you've saved your document and then pull up your document. So we pulled up our document, and this time it's this kind of a form that has to be filled out. And normally, you go to type and you're like, I can't type. So an easy way to do that is with this program. And the first thing you can do is you can type in your text. So the name of the person filling out the form. Okay. And the name of the person that we want to put in there, and the date. Okay, and so on and so forth, and you can fill out the whole form that way. Then you say you get down to the bottom and you put in, they want to know whatever, they want to know some information, they want to know the taxes. Let's say they're $4,000. And then you go, oh no, they're not $4,000, they're only $3,500. So you want to white out. So you just take your little wand and you go over here and you just white it out, and then quickly go over to the side. Don't start clicking around with the whiteout or it'll start erasing your form. Then you go back to text and you type in the correct amount. It's also great for if you needed to change something totally in the form, like let's say the title of the form was wrong. It wasn't an intake form at all. It was an application. And if you wanted to make it bigger, you would just go back here and change your typeset and make it bold. And now you want to take that out and make it bigger. So we go to the whiteout, white it out, and go over here to text. Click on the text. We want to make it 16 and we want to make it bold. Okay, and now, all right. And then there's one last cool thing you can do if you want to. A lot of times they want you to sign these documents. Now, there's various ways to do that, and this one isn't the most perfect, but it's quick. And you can go over here to freehand, click on freehand, and then you use your mouse and you can sign it. It's not the greatest, but hey, It works. Okay, so that's my little tech hack for this week. It's great for everybody. And then all you have to do when you're done with the form is click this down arrow, save and download. And then you've got the file and you can save it on your computer. And then you can actually email it back to the person who sent it to you. And you never have to print it out. So if your printer went on the fritz, or like I said, your Adobe program that's a little more complicated isn't available and you're on the fly and you've got to do something really quick, try PDF Escape. It works great. And that's my answer for this week. If you have questions, shoot me a text or an email or a phone call or reply to this email and let me know what your question is, because maybe we've got the answer. Until next time, remember, make it a great day.